What's up guys, it's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, we jump straight back into Jasmy. Time is ticking. Now is not the time to be panicking over the current market dump. Now, before we do get into the video, make sure all of you guys run up the numbers, go and smash that like button. Let's try and get to, we didn't make 200 likes yesterday. We'll get to 175 today, guys. You can do that. And drop me a sub. Let's get into Jasmy. So another day, another sea of red, but it's still not affecting me, guys. Now, we've actually hit a key level that we need to be taking action in today. We need to take action, basically, guys. So at the end of the video, we're going to go and check out the trading view. So make sure you're paying attention and that you stay to the end. But look, everything is pretty much down. I mean, if we go to the weekly, look at that. I mean, 20%, 30%. Have we got any 40% in here? Maybe if we went to the month, then there may be some 40%. I've said this to you like 100 times that this was going to happen. I said that we're going to have 20, 30, 40% corrections, guys. Okay, so this is part of the cycle. And I know a lot of you guys who watch the videos, maybe this is your first cycle, so you're seeing it and you're thinking, holy crap, I just made all of that money. I should have sold. Why didn't I just sell for a 200% gain? Now, in the last bull run, many people sold way too early, guys. And that was a big oopsie doopsie for a lot of people. And then they tried to buy back in to the post-halving rally, and then what happened? They didn't make any money because they didn't sell at the top, and then they just sold all the way down to the bottom, didn't buy back into the bear market. We are not doing that. That's why we got such amazing entries for Jasmy. And again, another reason why now is not the time to have ants in your pants and trying to sell your Bitcoin or your crypto or your Jasmy, whatever it is. We've got 3 days until the Bitcoin halving, obviously depending on how fast the blocks get mined, but 3 days approximately until we do start to see the benefits of the halving, guys. That block reward is getting split in half. There is going to be less supply and more demand for crypto, guys. You've been seeing the demand for Bitcoin go up. The amount of ETFs that have been allocating Bitcoin to their funds, taking it off exchanges, there's going to be a massive supply shock to come. Now, before we do get into Jasmy, guys, I want to say, go and follow the Twitter if you haven't already, link in the description or in the pinned comment. I'm filming my top 5 cryptos to buy during this dip, and I mean top 5 other than ICP and Jasmy, alright? Because I know that's the channel favorite, but go and let me know what you think should make the cut. Are there any other coins that you have in your portfolio that you think, you know what, that's such a gem, Lex needs to go and check this out? But before we get into the trading view, I wanted to show you this. I wanted to read through this. Now, we'll start here, actually. This was a very good point, and I agree. I agree a lot. I mean, we knew this was coming, like I said at the beginning of this video, and every cycle there is a bull market is cancelled moment. So there's the bull market is finished, we're not going to get a bull market. What just happened was the bull market, but then there's also going to be a moment like during the bull market where people say super cycle, new all-time highs, 500k Bitcoin, $1 million Bitcoin. That will probably happen this cycle, right? But what's going to happen? In this time of the bull market is cancelled, are you going to capitulate or are you going to take advantage? The choice is yours. And look, within the next 6 months, there's going to be a major FUD event. And I covered it in yesterday's video on ICP. If you haven't watched that, then probably go and watch that. But yeah, I mean, with world events not looking the greatest at the moment, is that a big FUD event that we were waiting for? Is that the black swan that we were waiting for, guys? And just remember to try and stay as positive as you can. Obviously, crypto can get quite cult-like and people don't like to admit when things aren't going the right way. But with Jasmy, it has been going the right way so far, right? They're keeping up to date with their roadmap. The partnerships that they're forming are amazing, and they're just doing a great job. Now, look at this. Survived the bear market and bought when needed to. The average price is 0.006, do half a cent. The same as what, if you guys were following the channel, what you guys would have got as well. Do you think that we're going to capitulate during one of the most important periods of not just his life, not just my life, of all of our lives, guys? We're literally all in this together, right? So whether you've got 10k invested, 1k invested, $500 invested, fucking 1 million invested, right? We're all in this together, and this is the most crucial part that we all need to stick through. I mean, if you want to sell now, then, you know, you can. Maybe you've made life-changing amounts in meme coins, or maybe a 200% was life-changing for you. Fair, everyone's different. But for the majority of us, this is the most important part of the cycle. This is where we say, forget the noise, forget all of the volatility in the market, forget the trading view. The only thing we need to worry about is, can we get our average price lower? And something that makes me think that the average price going lower is not going to last that long is this here, guys. Now, let me just move myself out here. Jasmy holders are not dying, they are multiplying. And I'll zoom in on this little area here. You can see here the red line is the supply on exchanges as a percentage of total supply. You've got the total amount of holders here in this yellow. The blue is the market cap, and then you've got the price, which is this last green one here, guys. So look around here, the 15th of March, right, a month ago. The total supply on exchanges has just dropped. And even into April, we're still so low, right? We haven't been putting any Jasmy back onto exchanges. It doesn't look like there are any big whales trying to sell into you guys or into the pump that we had of what, 200-300%, right? So with these metrics showing that there's going to be less supply on exchanges, that leads me to believe that we've got some very bullish things to come for Jasmy. Alrighty guys, so we have got some work to do today. I've added 2 buys for you guys, and I did this for the members club as well. So for all of our positions that I don't cover on the channel, I've added maybe 1, 2 or 3 lower buy levels if we can get our average price down. So again, if you want to get some alpha that we don't show on the channel, you can go and check that out. But for everybody here for the Jasmy videos, look what price we're at today. 1.7 cents. And I guarantee when we were up here and you guys missed this pump of 1.7 and it went all the way up to 2.5, I bet you would do anything to get this 1.7 cents. Okay, now is this to say that this has to hold and this has to be the base? No, it doesn't. But we had this box here, okay, this breakout zone that we were tracking all the way from here. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be buying here because it's not guaranteed that we do get the lower level at 1.4185 cents. But if we do get that lower level, then you best believe that I'll be loading up there as well. But my final buy level that I think may be hopium at this point is going to be 1 cent. And that will be where I say, right, we need to really think about what we can do to get as much Jasmy at this price as possible. Because if you don't remember already, then our minimum target for the bull run, guys, is going to be around 34 cents. Everyone calling for $1 Jasmy, $1.50. I don't care, right? You can have your own price targets, but from where we were getting it to where that is, that's a 300x for the members, a 300x for everyone who is watching. 300x? A 100x. Go and roast me in the comments. That's a 100x for everybody who was getting it at these lower levels. And I mean, even if you got it at that ½ cent, it's still a 46x, guys, okay? So yes, that is why I am playing it more safe, because what people will do is they'll get way too greedy. They forget that they're investors like myself, investors like many of you guys watching who got stupid entries for Jasmy and who are up hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars selling into this. They don't care that you think Jasmy is going to $1. They don't care that you think, oh, but the market cap hasn't reached this price, so it must go. You're an idiot if you sell. No. That's not how we do it. I will be taking my profit and rolling it into the next bear market, guys, because I want to get as much Bitcoin as possible. That is the plan. So again, I know a lot of people are going to be saying, right, Jasmy to this price and, you know, only sell at $1. If you sell before $1, then you're stupid. Just be careful who you are listening to online, guys, because people will try and make this into a call and they'll say, no, it's definitely going to this price. They don't know what price it's going to. Nobody knows what price it's going to. This is a conservative target of mine. I think it's very possible. But at the end of the day, I don't know the exact top or the exact bottom that Jasmy was going to be, right? I could just make educated guesses. And so far, the educated guesses and following smart money has done me well. What's your plan? So that's it, guys. Just let me know what your plan is for Jasmy. Are you happy about this current dip? Are you buying buy 1? Are you waiting for buy 2? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, it's been Will X Money. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.